Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm flipping through 3 new sticker books from Kellofaplan that are releasing today. So if you're interested in purchasing these, I will have my affiliate link down in the description. But I'm going to flip through these sticker books so you can see all the new stickers that are in these books. We have a Bows and Florals, Spring Florals Volume 2, and then Spring Icons Volume 2. So a couple of spring books and then a cute bow and floral themed book, which I actually will flip through first. All right, so these are all, I believe 30 pages, yes, 30-page sticker books. And yeah, let me flip through this one first. All right, so again, bows and florals, which is a really nice theme. It's a fun theme. So first we get some functional boxes here in the pretty pinks, and then some blues, some checklists and bullet points. You have green, and then a mix of the boxes and bullet points. Checklist, dashboard stickers, and then more boxes. It's a lot of function. You have hexagons, and then we're getting into the decorative stickers. So you have some pretty blue bows, all the different little bows, so cute, lots of options. So 2 pages like that. Then you get the pink ones. Super pretty. Some florals that you can pair with your bows. Florals and bows. All right, and then we have some decorative boxes with the floral patterns, some checklists with florals, and then we have some pattern boxes. And some more of those here with the florals. And then alphabet stickers with little cute little bows. Oops, sorry. Cute little bows within the letters. All right, and that is the last page. All right, so that is bows and florals. Really pretty sticker book. Next we have spring florals. All right, so here's the first page. All the functional stickers, so 2 sheets, and then you get the coordinating decorative florals sheets. These are clear. And then next theme, pinks and greens, the florals, got some bouquets, and this one's yellow and green and gray. We got some side pieces, corner pieces. This one's a little bit more pastel-y. And the decorative stickers. Black and pink and gray. And then all the clear florals. And purple, pink, and green. These are really pretty. I like how vibrant they are. Then we have a blue section. Some nice blues. And then some nice blue florals. Okay, and then we have some quotes. So happy Easter, spring adds new life, beauty, and beauty to all that it is. Housework can't kill you, but why take a chance? Blossom by blossom, the spring begins. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. All right, so you get 2 of those clear sheets in the spring floral sticker book. All right, so that is the spring florals. And then last we have spring icons. These are always my favorite kind of books. These like seasonally themed sticker books with like fun decorative stickers. All right, so this is a fun color palette, nice and bright. And then you have the cute little Easter themed stickers. That little bunny, adorable. The little backside of the bunny. Some more rainbows and rain. Super cute. Okay, here's the next theme. It's actually raining right now, which is good. So we have some gardening stickers here. The illustrations are really cute. Some florals. How does your garden grow? Plant life. Okay, next theme. Got some bees, some honey, tea. Cute, the girls on the bike. Okay, next theme. Let me push this back a little bit more. All right. It's the green and yellow. It's the St. Patrick's Day. Cute little leprechauns. Next theme. It's a pretty pink and green and blue theme. Oh yeah, this one's really pretty. Flowers. The girls. Little potting shed. Okay, next theme. Oh, how cute. Sun and fun. I love this. The girl, the side view of the girl. Okay, then we got some more girls doing a little picnic. The next theme. Butterflies, love some butterflies. So all the like springy kind of florals. Little kitty, a cat with the flowers. I think there's a dog with the flowers. Yeah, the dog with the flowers, and then the kitties with the flowers. That's funny. All right, and then we have the spring bucket list. So all like some bucket list items you could do during the spring. Go berry picking, visit a lavender farm, buy local honey, decorate your home for spring. So you get 2 of those sheets so you can do a couple of bucket lists with that sheet. All right, so those are the 3 new sticker books releasing from Kellofaplan. If you're looking for some seasonal themed spring sticker books, these are great ones to grab up. Or this fun bow and floral theme. Those bows are, you know, that's pretty in right now, those bows. So that's a really cute sticker book too. What I'm going to do now though is I'm just going to do a plan with me. I want to use this book just to do a quick little plan with me featuring the spring icon sticker book. I have some pages from a Kellofaplan planner, so I'm just going to use these to decorate this spread. Okay, so which theme do I want to do? I really like this one. This one's really pretty. So let's just go with this one. And the great thing about this book is there's just all the stickers that you need for a spreader. In here I have a nice long box, which I like to use on the sidebar. So this is gonna go over here. Fits perfectly here. Alrighty. And then I always like to put a double box opposite of this. So I will put the double box over here. Like I said, it has all the stickers that I like to use, the size stickers that I like to use, so loving that. I'll put this green one on top of the blue. Oops, let's try to get it a little straight. Trying. Okay, there's checklists, so let me add a couple of checklists. I'm just gonna add boxes first, and then I will go in with the decorative stuff. Okay. And then I could add a checklist down here. Let's see, I haven't used this like peachy color over here. Go over here with this one. Cool. And then I will add more boxes, but I want to do a box over here. So we'll go with this one over here. And then I will do, I think I want blue. I have blue. I do have blue, but not in the shape I want. So I'll do green here. And then I'll do a blue checklist. Let's do one here. Okay, so I have some boxes down. Now I'm just gonna put some decorative stickers next. So I got all these cute decorative stickers. Oh, I definitely wanna put this potting shed sticker down. Okay, let's grab this one. All right, so this will go over here. Okay, cute. And then I'm gonna put this up here because I think that'll fit in that area nicely. Oh yeah, it's very nice here. Perfect. All right, I do want a girl, so I'm thinking I want to add, let's add one of these girls. I want her facing this way because I'm gonna put her here. So we'll grab this girl here. I feel like she fits nicely here around that little area. And then I want to put a girl here. So let's grab this one. Put her here. Maybe I should put her... I'm gonna space it out a little bit more, just so she's not as close to the building, because she's like really tall compared to the building. So, okay, cute. All right. Oh, I got these little pots. Those are cute. I want something here, so maybe I'll do these little pots because it's cute. Little pots, kind of stacked or lined up here. Something over here. Let's do. What do I want to do? Oh, I like this. This is cute. A little shelf. Come on. And then I can do. I like these little packets of the flower seeds. I think that's cute, so I'm just gonna stick one there. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go in now with some more boxes, and then I'll put more decorative stickers down. Okay, so let's just add more boxes around the page here. So I got one here. Actually, I think I want blue. Blue. Do one here, and then do one here. Okay, and then let's see, maybe another blue one. I got lots of boxes around the page, so that's good. And then I'm gonna go in with more cute decorative stickers. All right, so I like this little banner. Let's get the banner. And then I think I'm just gonna put the banner here. And maybe like something here. Some flowers. Or a succulent. I like the succulent, so do this one. And then I want something here. So I really like the herbs little hanger thing. So I'll put this like hanging off of this. Okay, and then I will just add, again, I want to add in more of these cute little packets of seeds. Got carrots, and then I'll do this, maybe like a flowery one, okay, the dahlia, because it's kind of pink. Do it here. Okay, I think that's pretty cute. All right, so cute. that is going to be my spread featuring spring icons, and those are all the sticker books. That's everything for this video. Yeah, like I said, these books are great because it has everything that you really need to make a spread. So you just have to use, especially in these books, you just want to use these 4 pages to decorate a spread. You don't have to flip through all these books, which is nice. That's always why it's nice to have these on hand. All right, that is it for this video. Again, if you're interested in purchasing these are, the website is linked down in my description with my affiliate link, so definitely check that out. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.